If you are thinking about buying Kajabi, I have a massive update for you. From October 31st till November 11th, Kajabi is offering 50% off every single one of their plans for an entire year.
Nice.
What? It's crazy. But there are some things that you need to know before you sign up. So let me fill you in on all of the things. Now, the first thing to note with the new offer is that if you do sign up for this, there is no 30-day trial.
Huh?
You just go straight into the 50% off of your plan. But I will say though, if you're like, but I really want to try Kajabi before I buy it even at 50% off, you could still sign up for the trial on like a different email. And then once you try it out and you know you like it, then with your like legit email, then you could sign up for the 50% off without the trial. I'm just saying, you didn't hear from me, but like that's what I would do if I had never tried Kajabi, but I wanted in on the deal. Okay. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for saying that. The next thing you need to know about this 50% off deal is that you cannot change plans once you sign up for a plan. So you'll lose the 50% off if you want to like move up or down within a plan. So you want to be really sure with the plan that you pick, okay? So right now you'll see these are the different plans you can pick from and get 50% off on. I highly recommend that you at least go with the basic plan if you know in this year you're going to grow. I am on the growth plan and I really love it because I have more than 3 products. But if you know you're like, hey, I know I just want to build a course and have a community that goes with it, and then maybe also offer a coaching program, those are great as your 3 products and you would be good on the basic plan. But if you're like, no, I know I want a lot more, then you could go on the growth plan and get 50% off of that. But I would either choose between the basic or the growth if I were you. But you could still do the Kickstarter, totally up to you. I just think you'll probably want to move up within a year. So I think best bet is basic or growth. If you have a lot of digital products, you could always just create an offer page for those. And so that wouldn't count as a product. So just a little pro tip for you. The last thing to note with this offer is the 50% off. You can either do it month by month or you can pay annually. So that's so huge. Usually they only offer if you buy annually any discount. So the month by month, I'm like, score. If you know it's easier for you to pay it month by month instead of this big chunk annually, where like I like to just pay annually and get it out of the way. I know a lot of other course creators prefer to have it just on a monthly subscription. So it's totally up to you. Now, if you're like, woo, I am in, be sure to grab the link for that 50% off. I have it down below in the description and in the cards. And once you sign up, be sure to watch this video where it's gonna take you through everything that you need to know. It's a beginner Kajabi tutorial that's gonna be so helpful for you. Don't forget, when you do sign up with my link, you get access to the 0 to 10K course roadmap that teaches you to make your first $10,000 in course sales. So exciting. Woo! All right. Let me know if you have any questions and I will see you next video. Bye.